flood warning in effect from Monday afternoon to Friday morning. What? Minor flood is forecast. Where? Killbuck Creek near Killbuck.
Oh,
When?
of course.
Monday afternoon to Friday morning. Impact at 17.0 feet. Private property on Water Street in the village of Killbuck flooded. Several county and local roads impassable, including State Route 60 South and County Road 621. Additional details, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 11.5 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage early tomorrow afternoon to a crest of 16.7 feet Tuesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 16.7 feet on June 9, 1981. The Weather Radio http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood watch in effect for...
Whoa! Surprise much? Jesus! Oh, what now? What is this?
Tornado warning for freaking Arkansas or something. Nicholas. Yep.
I'm not counting that one on my, shut up!